To be honest, I am not consistent like I was. I have decided. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arvind. And first of all guys, I am so sorry for being inactive since last 2 weeks. And इससे पहले मैं इतना inactive पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. So today, let me introduce you first to all the new subscribers. So guys, hi, hello, my name is Arvind and I am a undergrad student at Hindu College, University of Delhi, doing economics honors. So I've started this channel last year and I thought I'll be continuing it and I'll be consistent on it. But life is so unpredictable, we can't say anything. So मैं इतना इनकन्सिस्टेंट इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एग्ज़ाम्स एंड एग्ज़ाम्स भी क्या बोलूँ यार. आज आई वॉन्ट टू ओपन आउट एवरीथिंग जो मेरे दिमाग में है तुम सबसे, जो मैं इतने दिनों से कहना चाहता था. दैट इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू लिव अलोन फ्रॉम योर होम इन अ PG and doing your college stuff and all. It is not at all easy bro. You have to protest is not the right word, but you have to protest for the food. You have to wash your own clothes and you have to manage on your own everything. You do not have your mummy giving you towel in the bathroom. So these are the small things that matter, and that is you will remember when you are away from your home. So the thing that I want to share with you all today is that why I'm so inconsistent and how is actually my life going in the Hindu college and in the, like, basically I'm going to tell you ki bhi what are the things that I'm facing as a college student and what you can grasp from it and you can improve it. To be honest, I am not consistent like I was during my CUET preparation when I was making vlogs and studying simultaneously. Like I was so dedicated at that time, but now I become so lazy. Like I won't lie, I sleep at like 2 and literally मैं कभी भी इतना लेट नहीं सोता था, but I sleep at 12 or around 2 nowadays and I woke up at like 8 or 9 क्योंकि मेरी क्लासेस जो अब लेट हो चुकी है. Like अब मेरी क्लासेस, because my section my class has been divided into 2 sections, that is group 1 and group 2. So जो मेरा group 2 है उनकी पता नहीं क्या, बस मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी बहुत कम क्लासेस है एज कम्पेयर टू ग्रुप 1, या हमारी अर्ली क्लासेस कम है, आई डोंट नो, बट दिस इज़ द थिंग. सो आई हैव बिकम सो लेजी. आई स्टडी, आई जस्ट ईट. बेसिकली जब मेरी डेडलाइंस आती है ना, उनसे एक रात पहले आई स्टार्ट टू वर्क ऑन दैट. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट लाइक ऐसे ही चल रहा है सबका, तो मैं भी सोचता हूँ मैं भी ऐसे ही कर लूँ. पता नहीं मेरा समय कहाँ जाता है. सो I have decided. So let's see what's the solution of all of this problem that I am facing now, and that you will be facing. Basically, the time management problem that I am facing. So the solution to all of this is that I record everything and show it to you how disciplined and indisciplined I am. Because at the time when I was preparing for my CUET examination, I did the same thing, and I noticed one thing, that whenever I shooted and recorded the my whole day and I shared it on YouTube, I was more consistent and more productive than when I did not. If I speak a little fast, please try to understand what I've been focusing on these days. First of all, my English. Second, my discipline, my routine and my studies. Okay? These are the major things that I've been focusing on these days. And the most important thing, exams, which are not easy in my course. Especially देखो, my course is one of the toughest course of Delhi University, which is economics honors. तुम किसी से पूछ लेना, because it contains mathematics, statistics, which is not easy. So बहुत सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. So guys, I've been thinking to shoot things from now onwards in a cinematic way. Like both I'll do vlog, like जो मैं हाथ में हाथ में रख के जैसे मैं वो करता हूँ. वैसे एंड सिनेमैटिक शॉर्ट्स लाइक यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. तो वैसे भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ. सो बिकॉज आई हैव सर्टेन प्लान्स टू डू in future to do such type of videos, and I've been thinking it for quite a long time. So let's try everything. There's nobody to literally nobody to judge me. I don't give a fuck who whatever जो कोई भी मेरे बारे में सोचता है. तो I just try, मैं try करता हूँ और नई चीज़ें जो हैं मुझे करनी है वो मैं करूँगा. So this is the thing that I want to share. And talking about all the CUET stuff and the board stuff, you all have been asking to me on Instagram and YouTube as well. So don't take stress at all, I would say. And videos अभी बहुत सारी आएंगी CUET से related, because it is not like something which is very hard nut to crack, but you all will easily do it by a proper guidance, so which I'll provide you not only through me but all the friends and the toppers, the typical toppers that I have around me. So I'll just do everything for you all. So just stay tuned with me and stay tuned for the videos and keep supporting me. Just click on the bell icon and the subscribe button and whatever the things like subscribe, share, जो भी होता है, comment, तो वो सब कर दो and stay connected with me throughout this journey. Will be better and better and better each day and every day. So let's go. And tomorrow onwards I'll share my day with you all. And like I'm not saying कि भी रोज vlogs आएंगे ऐसा कुछ, but I will be consistent and I will share a glimpse of each day to you what I've been doing. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So this is the thing that I wanted to share and I've shared. Now I am relieved. So abhi to I'm thinking of going somewhere and then tomorrow onwards I'll start. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. I'm so glad that I have you all. I don't know, I forgot that I have you people, but now I've shared everything. Yeah. So this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have come here, I have no words to say. I'm so grateful to all of you, those who have come till the end. So do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.